be swayed. Slain enemies, spray gray matter, brain splatter when they lay upon the grave. Dismantle the preamble, held in the chapel, in exchange for being safe. For example, holding a handful of emergency grenades, renegades and crusades. Top of the food chain, never explain to my brain that I see a stain. I'm the grossest, gone digital, slow motion, focus, pivotal. I'm ferocious as a bonus, you're pitiful and bonus, that's unforgivable. Wanted a worthy opponent, cause my wickedness is transmittable. Syringes filled with potent darkness, complete the synthesis for the heartless. A blessed villainous transference of evil is the result. In fact, the innocent with the occult. Consult a priest and divulge as much info as you must before his bones crush into dust. His organs are pulp and his soul is mulch. Due to your ignorance, this incident is the biggest insult. Cut his ligaments out and indulge in his bitter guts. The carnivorous cold as the blood gushed. Onlookers hushed by the disgust and the bloodlust. This ritual sacrifice medicinal, typical maneuver is to kill the original, but my death would be inadmissible, almost visual. Even Hercules would find killing me difficult. Their vital fluid, my Merlot, yet my placebo pictured me as a human mosquito trapped